Every single day, the search volume for how to make money, how to increase my income on Google and other search platforms keeps increasing. A lot of people want to increase their income, but they don't know that they can actually make money from the skills that they currently have. They don't even realize they have what it takes to make significant income off of what they already have. So today I'm going to share with you 5 easy side hustles you can start making money from. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is bisola WhizQueen. I teach you ways to make, save, and grow your money. Today we're talking about making money. This is one of the most popular things you find people asking questions about. I get this all the time in my community on social media. Folks are always asking, how can I make more money? I want to increase my income. There are several ways for you to increase your income, and one of it is to earn additional side income or side hustle. This is something that has really helped me with growing my portfolio to almost $500,000. Have made money trying out different side hustles, and the easiest ones that I did were using the skills that I already have, using the tools that are already available to me, and monetizing them. So today I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that you can start exploring with. These are beginner ones without need for any effort, any courses, any training, or any professional guidance. Not only will I share the ideas with you, I'll also give you the tool set that you can start to leverage on. Let's get into it. So side hustle number 1 is building websites using AI tools. It is 2026. Majority of us are familiar with prompting AI, using AI tools. There are now tools like Base44, Lovable, and so forth that allows you to build a literal website using just prompting and chatting with an AI. So I have several, even myself, I have several websites that I've been able to build, and I don't even think I'm a technical person. In fact, when you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 on technicalities, probably a 4. So if you know how to use ChatGPT already or Claude, you know how to build websites using AI tools. In fact, I have 3 of my past students who attended one of my trainings where I showed them about using AI tools, and now they offer this as a service. I feel like I don't have enough skill set on it. I showed them, just gave them the foundation, they built upon it, and now they are offering this as services to other clients and businesses as well. They have several templates you can use, but at the same time you can just prompt the chat box and let it know the kind of website you're looking to build. If you have examples or demos of it, you can include it in the chat and it will build something similar for you in accordance to the brand taste or design that you're looking for. Once you start building those websites, is you reach out to small local businesses, photographer, local shops here and there, mom and pop businesses, or even your friends and family that currently have a business but don't have a website. You reach out to them and let them know, hey, I can help you build a website landing page for your business. You can do anywhere from maybe just 1 page, which would be like the home page, or 3 pages, which would be like have services page, home page, then maybe contact page. Just make sure that you break it down in a way that the service makes sense, and then you can offer it at different pricing and even use tiers. Now, once you do this, get a couple of clients every month, and you're going to be on your way to almost $10,000 in a month. This is literally just by using AI tools to build websites. Like I said, the tool that you're going to need here is probably just your laptop, access to internet, subscription for the AI platform that you're going to be using. And if you are very smart, you can use platforms like ChatGPT or Claude to get all of the, like I would say, structuring of the website, then take it over to Lovable or Base44 to actually build that website for you. Then you get paid by your clients and you're smiling to the bank. Number 2 side hustle is events content creator. The rise and demand for content creators is on the high side now. However, not everybody realizes that just being a content creator or posting on social media doesn't really bring you money. So you can build the business or the side hustle part of it by learning the content creation skill, knowing how to take good pictures, good photos, good videos, capture behind the scenes of content, and you can offer that to service provider as a service. So an example here would be maybe an events planner is hiring and maybe a wedding that they're doing. You can reach out to the food vendor that is there, maybe the even event planner, the bride, the groom, whoever it is that is involved attending that event, and let them know you are going to help them document the journey or capture content from that event, and they can have that as content. Most business, even business owners these days, they have events. It could even just be one-time thing that they just need someone to capture that event for them. I have hired content creators. I would still always consistently hire content creator, even though I am one. There are times that you just want to focus on your own thing and get someone to capture the behind the scenes of what is going on for you. Why I love this is you don't need to be a professional at doing this. All you need is just your smartphone and maybe some basic editing skills, and you're good. I remember the first time I came across an event content creator was at a birthday I attended 3 years ago. She was using her phone. It was a Samsung phone. She was using to take pictures, and I was like, what is this? Like, oh, did they not hire a photographer? Then I saw that there was actually a photographer as well. Then she was taking videos. She was giving people styles to do different TikTok trends. And I was like, this is a job. I went to Nigeria. I also noticed the same thing, that even the attendees of the wedding I went for, they also had their own content creator. So this is literally something that is booming now. You can charge based on number of videos. I remember even on my birthday, I even had to hire an event content creator as well. So you charge based on the number of video or production or output that you're going to give them. And obviously you're going to edit it for the most part. Sometimes they would ask for the raw footages, so maybe just video clips. You just conversate with the client and let them know what you can offer to them, and then literally you get paid. So, and people are getting married every other week. There are events literally happening every day. Different things are happening. Obviously it will depend on your availability, and this is also fun because you get to meet people, you get to enjoy free food, free experience, and you don't have to even stress. So the tools you're going to need for this is literally your mobile phone, maybe access to a laptop for editing. Most people edit on their phone, but if you have a laptop, you could also use that. You need access to video editing tools like CapCut, InShot, or any other ones you prefer to use. And these are literally skills that you can watch on YouTube to learn how to start using from today, not tomorrow. So you see, this is literally a way for you to start making money as well. Number 3 is UGC creators. This is very much similar to content creators or event creator, except that you are creating user-generated content. If you've never heard of UGC, this is essentially where businesses or brands or companies would send you their product or ask you to use their tools, and then you share your experience in form of a content and they post it on their page. Why I love UGC so much is because you don't need to have you don't even need to have followers, you don't need to have anything of such. All you just need to do is build your portfolio and start to reach out to brands, apply for those UGC deals, and you start getting paid. I've literally seen UGC deals that pays up to like $1,000 per content. So in essence, maybe a brand can tell you, for example, this microphone that I'm literally using here was a UGC deal. The brands have sent me several microphones. I think I'm already on their PR list. So you as well can go online and start to scout for these UGC deals. There are several platforms that you can use. You can use collabs, you can use #paid, you can use Colly, and there are so many other ones as well. The tools you're going to need is definitely having a portfolio. To build your portfolio, I recommend you start with things that you're already purchasing. So think things like maybe your skincare product, your makeup stuff, tools you use for your hair, maybe hair straightener. Instead of just opening it out of the pack and using it, just actually record the behind the scenes, the process, share what you like about that product, what you don't like, and things like that. Just like an organic video, and start to put it together in a portfolio, then reach out to brand. I've seen creators that work with like top global brands and they don't even have followers. They are not content creators on the typical influencer end. These are just normal people who are creating everyday organic content for the brands, and they send it over and they get paid. Tools that you're going to need include building your portfolio. Once you have that, you also need your phone to capture the content, and once you have that edited, you can send it over to the brand. One additional tip that I have not mentioned is some brands would pay you even extra when they want to run ads with that video. So what that means is the brand is going to boost it to reach more people, and you are supposed to get paid more because they are showing that video to more people, and that means they will potentially make more money. UGC is gaining more popularity, and people are even scared that influencers will be getting kicked out of the market just because brands are now preferring to use UGC creators as opposed to paying for influencers. Next is more of a service that you can even do remotely, virtually from anywhere in the world. This is offering virtual assistance and admin support role. A lot of business owners, founders, content creators, startups, and so so many other companies these days, they need support. They are no longer able to do all their work by themselves. But because they don't maybe one have the budget to hire a full-on full-time staff, or they don't have the resource or bandwidth in place, or even they don't have as much work to have that full-time staff come on board. So what they typically do would be to hire a virtual assistant. I've had one now for almost 3 or 4 years now, though now I have a larger team, but I started off with having an assistant that would help me with just small things here and there. So you would be working on admin stuff like calendar management, scheduling meetings, managing their inbox, giving them summaries, preparing their meeting notes, maybe doing some small designs here and there. These are typically for, like I said, business owners, coaches, content creators, educators, all these people that they have a lot going on in their life and they just need someone to help them with providing a bit of support and admin work here and there. With virtual assistants, you're able to even charge on hourly basis. I've seen people charge up to like $30 or $40 per hour, and they're just doing like 10-hour a week job. That is essentially $400 already. Imagine if you do that on a month, $400 times 4, that's $1,600 that you are literally making from just one client. Now, if you have more flexibility or more time on your hands, you can take 2, 3, 4 clients and you're making even almost $10,000 a month. The key here is for you to really build the skill that business owner or that founder would need, so that you can potentially charge more and you become even more valuable to them on the team. The tools you need here include like your laptop, your phone. You want to build a portfolio as well, because most people want to see what you've done before so that they can see if you would be a good fit to do the work for them, and also have clear communication skill, because you're essentially working for someone now and they would need you to communicate from time to time. Last but not the least is creating digital products. This has been one of the oldest ways to make money, and up till now, even in 2026, is still one of the most reliable ways to make money. And I'll tell you, it's even so much easier now thanks to using AI tools. So essentially, you take that skill or that knowledge that you already have, package it into a product that people are going to be willing to pay for, and you put it online, then you sell. I remember the first time I started selling digital products, it was a budget spreadsheet that I created. I posted it on YouTube and I got several sales when I put it out there. Then after a couple of weeks, someone told me to put it on Etsy, because Etsy has their own customers. You're able to put that. One lady from my program, she has never sold anything online. She doesn't even have like any audience whatsoever. But after joining my program, she was able to create her own digital product. I recommended to her to put it on Amazon, because Amazon has Kindle Direct Publishing, and then maybe she'll get customers from there. And surprisingly, by I think it was the second week or so, she got like 2 sales of someone purchasing a digital product. So what happens is, instead of them just buying the product, Amazon would print it out and send it directly to the customer, because some people really want those products in print form. So this is also an extension of digital product. Like, you can create it but not just sell it in digital format, you can also sell it in print form. You can put it on Etsy, marketplaces like that if you don't have an audience on your own. And if you want, you can even use social media to market if you already have audience. If you don't, you can build an audience doing faceless marketing. There's several ways for you to explore that. I do have a training that I have done, it's part of my mentorship program. These are things that we cover in my community. But if this is something that you want to learn, I have a training that I recently completed. You can get access to all the recording, all the materials that we use. I show you how to create digital product using AI tools, something that you can complete in literally 3 hours, start selling it, put it online. I also show you how to really sell and market it. Literally in 3 hours, you'll be done. I'll leave the link to that training below. It literally costs you less than what you're going to spend on a night out. So I highly recommend you check it out and you get it. So you can see these are literally skills that you can start selling from today. 5 easy side hustles you can start from now. And to put it all together, 1, build AI website, offer events, content creation, become a UGC content creator, offer virtual assistant or admin services, And lastly, create and sell digital products using social media. I hope this has inspired you or sparked some creativity at the very least. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to learn more, if you want me to share other side hustle ideas like this, maybe you don't want to go be an event content creator that will go out, you want easy work from home side hustles, you want ones that can make you maybe up to 10k a month, less than 1k a month, whatever type of content you want to see from me next, leave them below. I'm more than happy to share them. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, and leave a comment, and send this to a friend as well. I'll see you in the next one.